Hello everyone, welcome back to Roadmasters. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying your rides wherever you are watching from. Today's video is going to be very special because we are talking about one of the most trusted and popular commuter motorcycles that has ruled the roads for years. So make sure you watch this video till the end because today we are taking a close look at the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe, a bike that focuses on mileage, comfort, and daily usability, all while keeping the price affordable. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe continues the legacy of being a no-nonsense commuter motorcycle designed for everyday riders. Hero has refined this model year after year, and the 2026 version comes with subtle updates that make it even more practical for city and rural use. At first glance, the bike still looks familiar, but when you observe closely, you can see improved graphics, a cleaner design, and a more modern finish. The fuel tank design remains simple yet elegant, keeping the identity of the HF Deluxe intact. The bike is lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for riders of all ages. Talking about the engine, the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is powered by a 97.2cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is tuned for efficiency and reliability rather than raw power. It produces around 8 PS of power and about 8 Nm of torque, which is more than enough for daily commuting. Whether you are riding through busy city traffic or cruising on village roads, the engine feels smooth and predictable. The 4-speed gearbox is well matched to the engine, offering smooth gear shifts and stress-free riding, even for new riders. One of the biggest reasons people choose the Hero HF Deluxe is mileage, and the 2026 model does not disappoint. Hero has further improved fuel efficiency by refining the engine and optimizing fuel injection technology. In real-world conditions, riders can expect an impressive mileage of around 65 to 70 km per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. This makes the HF Deluxe one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in its segment, which is a huge advantage with rising fuel prices. Comfort is another strong point of the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe. The seat is long and well cushioned, providing a comfortable riding position for both rider and pillion. The upright handlebars and well-positioned foot pegs reduce fatigue, making it ideal for long daily rides. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, which handle bumps and rough roads quite well. Even on uneven surfaces, the bike feels stable and easy to control. When it comes to braking and safety, the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe offers drum brakes at both front and rear, which are sufficient for this segment. Hero has also included an integrated braking system, which improves safety by distributing braking force more effectively. The tires provide decent grip for city riding, and the lightweight frame helps in quick maneuvering through traffic. Now let's talk about features. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe keeps things simple but practical. It comes with an analog instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, and basic indicators. While it may not have a digital display or advanced connectivity features, it focuses on reliability and ease of use. The bike also includes features like a side stand engine cutoff, which adds an extra layer of safety. The build quality feels solid, and Hero's reputation for durability is clearly reflected in this model. Maintenance and ownership cost are major reasons why the HF Deluxe is so popular. Hero has one of the largest service networks, making maintenance easy and affordable. Spare parts are widely available and reasonably priced, which makes this bike an excellent choice for budget-conscious riders. The 2026 model continues this tradition, offering low service costs and long-term reliability. Now let's come to the most important question. The price. The 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is expected to be priced around 65,000 to 70,000 Indian rupees ex-showroom, depending on the variant and location. This pricing makes it one of the most affordable motorcycles in the market, especially considering its mileage, reliability, and low maintenance costs for first-time buyers, students, office commuters, and rural riders. This bike offers excellent value for money. In conclusion, the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is not about flashy looks or high-end technology. It is about trust, efficiency, and practicality. It is a bike that gets the job done every single day without putting pressure on your wallet. If you are looking for a reliable commuter motorcycle with great mileage, comfortable riding, and an affordable price, the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Roadmasters, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us if you would choose the 2026 Hero HF Deluxe for your daily rides. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.